Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
This video shows the only reliable way to connect OneDrive files to Power BI Desktop. You will sync OneDrive to your PC using OneDrive for Business or Personal Sync Client. Syncing creates a local folder like C/users/u/OneDrive company for stable access. Power BI Desktop struggles with direct cloud paths, so local sync prevents refresh failures. Ensure you have correct permissions and the latest Power BI Desktop installed before proceeding. I will walk through folder location, file handling, and scheduled refresh considerations step by step. First, open the OneDrive app and sign in with the same account used for Power BI. Next, verify the file appears in the local OneDrive folder and finishes syncing completely. In Power BI Desktop, choose File, then Get Data, and pick Excel or CSV depending on file type. Browse to the synced local path like C/users/u/OneDrive company/file. XLSX and select the workbook or file. Load or transform data in Power Query, as usual, and save your Power BI. Save your PBIX file inside the same synced OneDrive folder to keep paths consistent. If you publish to the Power BI service, upload the report from the local synced folder to maintain link integrity. For scheduled refresh, configure credentials and gateways and set refresh in the Power BI service after publishing. Avoid moving or renaming folders because that breaks Power BI connections and causes errors. If you must rename, update the data source path in Power Query and republish the fixed report immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.